It's time to install the AC unit. This is a 12,000 BTU AC unit that's made by Costway, and it should be perfect to keep this tiny home nice and cool in the summer. After installing the mounting brackets, I wired up the electrical wires, connected the drip hose, then carefully bent back the copper lines so I can slide them through the hole that I put into the wall. I slid the copper lines, drip hose, and the electrical wires through the hole, then mounted the AC head. I then went outside and put together the mounting bracket that'll hold up the condenser unit. I had to notch out some of the board and batten on the exterior so I can mount down the mounting bracket, which I bolted directly into the studs, but then I installed the AC condenser and bolted that onto the bracket as well. I then had to connect the wire and the AC lines that we slid through the wall earlier into the AC condenser. So I took off the electrical cover and slid the wire through the hole so I can connect it to the bus bar. This was pretty straightforward. You just connect the corresponding wire to the letters on the bus bar and that's it. I then installed the copper lines, wrapped them in the AC tape that they gave me, then installed the cover. After connecting the wire and the copper lines, it was time to run the electrical. Since this is a 240 volt system, I'm using 10-3 Romex to connect it to my breaker panel. I'm running the wire through 1/2-inch conduit that I'm installing on the outside of the tiny home, which I measured and cut to size, and I used PVC cement to make sure it's 100% waterproof. I then ran my snake through the conduit, taped it, then pulled the wire through. And I couldn't have done it without the help of my wife, so if you're listening, thank you, honey. After running the wires through the conduit, we had to install a disconnect box in between the AC condenser and the breaker panel. We then wired the Romex into the AC condenser, installed a 30 amp breaker onto the panel, then called the AC technician to pump the lines filled with Freon, and that's it. This Costway air conditioner comes in a kit. If you guys want to get one, I'll link them in the description below.